Good day, everyone. I am Cadet Harold P. Badoy from MT3 Alpha. So today, I am going to discuss the operational use of AIS. So the Automatic Identification System, or AIS, is an automatic tracking system used on ships and by the Vessel Traffic Services, or VTS, for identifying and locating vessels by electronically exchanging data with other nearby ships, AIS base stations, and satellites. So when satellites are used to detect AIS signatures, then the term satellite of AIS is used. So AIS information supplements marine radar, which continues to be primary method of collision avoidance for water transportation. So for the application of AIS, we have a first is for the collision avoidance. Next is for vessel traffic services, aids to navigation, and last for search and rescue. So the AIS plays a crucial role in enhancing maritime safety, navigation, and communication on the vessel. So there are different buttons here. The cursor pad is used to select the menu. So as you can see, the menu button is used to open the main menu for the whole operation. Once you use the menu cursor, the choice of operation, and once you already select it, this is the time you enter the enter button. So in the menu button, you can see the different, like the heading, the speed over ground, the course over ground, the CPA, and the TCPA of the other vessel. So first, other functions of our AIS is for vessel tracking. So it enables a real-time tracking of vessels, displaying their positions, courses, and speeds of electronic navigational system. And for the collision avoidance, its function is to help vessels detect and avoid potential collision by providing information about the position of movements of nearby vessels. Like what I mentioned earlier, the TCPA or the CPA closest point of approach of other vessel to own location of our vessel or ship. So next is identification of vessels. So its function of AES is broadcast essential information such as the vessel's name, MMSI or Maritime Mobile Service Identity, types, dimensions, destinations, and aiding for quick identification. So fourth is for navigational assistance. So integrated with navigational system like the electronic chart display and information system, or ECDIS, AIS enhances situational awareness for navigating through busy water. So especially in the narrow channels for the coastal waters. So it is very useful in order for us to detect the other vessels nearby. So for next is for communication with shore station. Vessels use AIS to communicate with shore-based stations, ports, and traffic management centers, facilitating efficient traffic coordination. So, in summary, the operational uses of AIS contribute significantly to safer and more efficient maritime transportation. Vessel operators, authorities, and navigational personnel rely on AIS to enhance situational awareness, streamline communication, and mitigate potential risks at sea. So, as you can see, our cursor there, it helps us to adjust using the menu button, the enter, and the display mode can be adjusted if you want to daytime or nighttime. And for the navigational status, that includes in our monitor screen the heading of our vessel, the speed over ground, the course over ground, the CPA. Anyway, for in regards for CPA, we can adjust our CPA based on the master or based on the navigational on duty. So, for example, you want to have a CPA of one nautical mile. So, automatically, once the other detects other vessel at 1 nautical miles, it will sound the alarm. So, the alarms is also located at the menu button. So, we have the DIM. So, it's also connected to our monitor. It helps to uh, make clear information in our monitor. So And always do not forget to the our power button. So before we start any equipment or any things inside the vessel, we should power on first before using it. So we can see also here in our monitor the range, like we have right now, we have the range of 6 nautical miles, and based on our monitoring screen, we have other vessels detected nearby. So if we want to know the information, we can use the cursor and click the enter so that the information will be shown in our monitor. So that's it. I hope I explained a lot, and thank you so much.